Hello friends, in my previous video I showed you how to use canvas to create a view in Sketchware. So here this is the code which I used, and here I created a view called skView. It is a class skView which extends view. And now in this video, in my previous video I showed you how to draw a rectangle and text. Here I will show you how to draw a circle and line on the canvas. So here I have these variables. First one is paint variable my paint, then an int variable view width which is set to 0, and int variable view height which is set to 0. Here I will not be using string variable. Now I have this constructor which is public skView, and it contains a variable context, and here I do not need this string variable, so I will just use this context variable which is context. Now inside this I write super context, and then I define this my paint as new paint. Here I do not need this my text. So this is the constructor public skView context. So when I have to create a new skView, I will write new skView, and here I will write the context like get application context or main activity dot this, or sometimes simply this. So that will create a skView. Now after this I have this another method which is protected void onDraw, the onDraw method which takes canvas as a variable. So here I can get the canvas for drawing on the view. So in this method, onDraw method, I define view width equal to this dot get measured width. This will be width of the view. Then I define view height is equal to this dot get measured height. This will be height of the view. So now I have view width and view height. Now after this I will set some background for this canvas. So for setting some background, we can simply write canvas dot, the canvas should be in small letter, it should be same as this. So here I write canvas dot draw color, and here I will draw some color like color dot parse color, and inside this I can write hash b b f f f f. This will be the color. I'll just make it double B. It will be the color, and now I will close it using this closing brackets. So this will draw this color as background of the canvas. Now after this I set the style of my paint to fill, and I set the color to red, and then I will use this to draw two lines. First will be a horizontal line in center of the view, and second will be a vertical line in center of the view. So for drawing the line I will write canvas dot canvas dot draw line. The first will be x coordinate of the start point. So x coordinate of start point will be 0, then the y coordinate of the start point, that will be view height divided by 2, the half of the view. Since I am drawing the horizontal line in center, it will be view height divided by 2. Now the x coordinate of the end point, that will be equal to view width, and the y coordinate of the end point will be same view height divided by 2. And after this I will write the paint which I used to draw it, which is my paint, and then I close this. So this will draw a horizontal line. Now to draw a vertical line, I'll just copy this. The x coordinate of start point will be view width by 2. So here I will write view width divided by 2, which is in center. the y coordinate of start point will be 0, then the x coordinate of end point will be view width divided by 2, and y coordinate of end point will be view height, and then I write the my paint. So this will draw a vertical line. Now I will draw a circle in the top left quadrant. Since I have a horizontal and a vertical line, it will divide the view into 4 quadrants. So I will draw a circle in the top left quadrant. So for that I will write canvas dot draw circle, canvas dot draw circle. So first we have to write x coordinate of the center. So I am drawing the circle in a quadrant. So the x coordinate of center will be view width divided by 4. So here I will write view width divided by 4. This is the x coordinate. Now I will write the y coordinate, which will be view height divided by 4, and then I will write the radius of the circle. So radius of the circle should be less than view width by 4. So I will make it view width divided by 6, comma the paint which is used to draw the circle, which is my paint. And that's all. These are the codes used for drawing the rectangle and the text, but I do not need it here, so I will just remove this. Okay, so here we draw 2 lines, a circle and a background color. Now let's check this. So to display it in Sketchware, I will add a linear. This is linear 1, and I will set its height to match parent, and I will set its padding to 0. Now in a more block extra, I create a closing curly bracket in the beginning and opening curly bracket in the end, and in between I use this code. So this will create a this will define a class called skView, which is a view. Now I will create skView by using this constructor, which is public skView context. So here I will write new skView and the context, which is this, and I can add it to linear 1 by writing linear 1 dot add view, linear 1 dot add view new skView this. Now let's check this. So here you can see that there is a background color, then there is a horizontal line in center of the view, a vertical line in center of the view, and there is a red circle in left upper quadrant. So that's all in this video. Thank you very much for watching this.